Okay, so in this video, we learn how to format a normal table visual into this or even this. So how to do that, right? Let's begin, right? So we have a very simple table, right? So now just we go to activate this visual pane and then click on the anything to do with formatting, right? We're going to change that here. Go to the format your visual. The first thing is that the value here seems very small, right? I can make it bigger by going to the values here and then change this, right? Just use the view up to make it bigger, right? So, okay, that's big, right? So now, the next thing is that I want to change that. You can change other formatting like the column header here, right? Go to column header and then I can do the same, right? Just increase it to 14 and then bold it, right? So, and as for the total line, right? If I do need to, I can go to the totals, turn it off. Notice that it's now turning off, right? Now here's the thing, right? So if I want to change the value here into this, right? According to that, if it's a meaning value in the list, right? I will change it, right? So how do I change that? Well, I go to the cell elements, and it gives us option to change, right? Which one you want to apply to, right? Because there are three columns, so there is only three headers value here. So we'll select the total sales column, which is here, and then I click on the font color, and then I click on this condition formatting. Right here, I change it to rules, and yep, it's going to base on this total sales value here. And as for here, I'm going to change it to equal zero, and then I change it to red. So what does it mean equal to zero? Means that it's a minimum value in the list, right? It's going to be red. And the maximum value, I just create a new rules, right? And this one change it to equal, and same goes to here 100%, right? And then change it to just blue, right? And then click OK. Look, that's how we change that color, right? Now, if you want the background to change accordingly, right? What you can do is that you can go to the oh, correct. Could be green, right? So no, that's a green line, right? So there should be a value here, right? So easy way. Select this, right? Okay, should be the values. Yeah, under the values here, right? So the background color here, yeah, this is it, right? So there's a value, there's a background. I can change it here. You can see that now, change it, and same goes to the alternate background. I can change it accordingly, right? So, oh, that's a background text. So let's just undo it. Alternate background at the third one here, as you can, the fourth one. So it will be the same, right? Yeah, this is one way to format it. The other way we talk about in our other video is that to format it accordingly using what we call that the the DAX method, right? So we create a DAX, a bar color, right? As we learned earlier, that you could create two variables, and from here we check whether that the total sales is equal to the variables, just the value stored in the variables, and then if it is, then it's set it here. If it's either case, or that's why we use a switch structure, right? So all right, so then for this, right, we can accept gray as well for any other value. So how can we do that, right? Is that we go to the let's say go back here, right? So let's say go back here, cell elements and change it to the font color, right? Instead of using rules, right? This is what we do earlier. We change it to field value. As for here, we select the items, the DAX value, right, which is the bar color, right here, bar color. And it's going to apply to that values. And this is the, right, this is the color that we actually apply to here, right? So, yeah, it looks like the same, right? It's just that if I change this to, say, I wonder if I can just, not for the sake, I'm just changing here to, I don't know, let's just see what's the value will be, right? Oh, blue, all right. So what if I put E? About the same, but you can see that why we use this, right, is that we can easily change the color, right? Go to the bar color and change that color, right? Rather than go to click here, click there, and so on. Change the color pretty fast. And that's a two-way to format a table matrix, right? In this video, you just learn how to format the color here, right? Go into the format your visual, go to cell value, cell elements, and then go to font color, right? Yeah, you can even change add data bars and icon, right? So you can see that here. There you go here. This is where you can change that here. And the next video we talk about other things. Thank you.